Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best car spray gun on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. WOYOFADA Car Spray Gun. WOYOFADA Car Spray Gun is high-performance, fully automatic washer, provides a high-pressure washing solution for any vehicle. Built with an advanced foaming technology which enables it to generate dense foam for sudsing and deep cleaning. It has a sturdy spray gun design with an ergonomic grip that maximizes comfort and minimizes user fatigue. The 30 bar has a high-pressure adjustable dial which allows you to adjust from a gentle rinse to a powerful jet spray. The flexible hose allows for easy maneuvering around your vehicle to reach all areas. It is simple to use with a push-button on-off trigger and a foam indicator light to let you know when foam is being generated. The pressure washer includes a flexible high-quality hose, foam gun with a foam lance, and a spray gun with an ergonomic grip and spray trigger. Number 4. NTOOLS GFG Pro Car Spray Gun. NTOOLS GFG Professional Spray Gun is a spray gun that can help you to save time and energy to give you the quality of your car. You will definitely love this spray gun. You can use it to spray paint, varnish and other chemical liquids. You can use it to spray the car, motorcycle and so on. It is very easy to use, change some parts as you need, you will get a professional spray gun. We use high-quality material that can help you to work more easier. The material of this gun is zinc alloy. It has portable design. You can use it to spray your car. With this spray gun, you don't need to worry about the color of your car. You can simply remove the top cover and then clean it with your hand. NTOOLS GFG Pro Car Air Tools Spray Gun has the high quality. It is durable in use. It is not easy to be broken. We have special design for the top spray nozzle. It has the scraper. You can easily to clean the big drop of paint on the top of spray nozzle. The design of this spray gun is compact. It can be put in your car's trunk. You can carry it with you. Number 3. XINFVIHO R500 Car Spray Gun. The XINFVIHO R500 is a spray gun for automotive applications. Its broad 1/4 inch to 1 inch fan can be used for base spray and clear coat. The 1.5 mm spray gun is suitable for base coat, clear coat and high build coating of cars and other vehicles. The R500 has a 1.3 mm, 1.5 mm and 1.7 mm nozzle supplied separately. A unique valve and head design can change from a spray gun to a regular gun instantly. It is of high quality and features a long life needle and trigger. The XINFVIHO spray gun is an ideal tool for your car spray painting, boat painting, furniture painting, airbrush and all kinds of application. XINFVIHO R500 air spray guns are designed to be used with a compressor and air hose. Compatible with both beautiful and tough paints, automotive paints, industrial enamel paints, industrial primer paints and water-based paints. Number 2. TEMPS DETIR Car Spray Gun. TEMPS DETIR is a professional manufacturer of high-quality paint spray equipment, various kinds of spray guns, including HVLP spray gun, gravity spray gun, air spray paint gun, airless spray gun, air spray gun, mini paint spray gun, dual action spray gun, electric spray gun and so on. We have more than 10 years experience in developing and producing paint spray equipment. TEMPS DETIR's spray gun is the original design and manufacturing the products are sold well in more than 30 countries as Europe, America, Asia, Africa and so on. Most customers are very glad to cooperate with us and they established good cooperation relationship with us. OEM service is also offered by TEMPS DETIR. The gun body is machined from aluminum and the needle nozzle is constructed from brass with chrome plating. The TEMPS DETIR HVLP gravity spray gun has a 3-stage regulator with a built-in pressure control valve and a 50-micron stainless steel needle. Number 1. WENXING H2000 Car Spray Gun. WENXING H2000 is a semi-professional, high-pressure, high-volume paint sprayer designed and manufactured by WENXING, which is a most popular kind of airbrush gun in the world. It can be used for a variety of painting tasks, such as automobile, electric, toy, steel furniture and sanitary ware industries, etc. It adopts an advanced German technique, which is highly efficient and possesses the features of superfine, high density and delicate spray. It is very suitable for automobile industry and can meet the requirement of super characters, superfine and high-density work. WENXING H2000 spray gun is mainly made of the following components: gun body, spray needle, spray nozzle, rapid filter, oil cup and air hose. It has the characteristics of compact size, stable performance, easy to operate, and is of high value for money. This gun also has a 1.4mm nozzle and 0.40.6mm needle for applying bigger sizes. With this tool in hand, you can easily paint a car, furniture and many other objects with ease. The WENXING H2000 mini paint spray gun is a convenient and economical paint sprayer for users looking for a lightweight, convenient tool for painting. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.